San Juan Unified recently reopened programs for in-person learning in moderate to severe special education programs, and the students at Ralph Richardson Center returned to a big surprise. Along with a variety of new playground features, the school became home to one of 3 Liberty Swings in the state of California.
So we are super excited about getting the Liberty Swing. Our PTA wrote our superintendent a letter, and our superintendent advocated for us to get the swing and made that possible. So thank you to everyone who made this possible. The swing is one of 3 in California, actually. And so we are super excited about this opportunity for our students who use wheelchairs for mobility to have that opportunity to swing, some of them for the very first time. And we look forward to seeing that smile on their face for being able to have that experience. It just means more freedom. It means the opportunity to have those typical experiences that all children have and most people take for granted. And it's an opportunity for them to feel that movement, and some of them, they can put their arms on the bars and make that movement possible themselves. So just opening up doors and letting them have these natural, typical experiences.
Some of our students, once they get a little bit bigger, so they're not as easy for parents to pick up off the ground out of their wheelchair, they don't get to experience the feeling of weightlessness, of getting to skip or jump or any of those things that you and I could normally do a million times in a day. They never get that. They're always stuck to the ground. So it's just, especially for our older kiddos, is amazing.